Reason number 7 is our internet monitoring and remote control options. Every single unit that ships has what's called GrowSentry built in. And GrowSentry is a platform, a proprietary platform that allows our factory-trained service team to monitor your unit's performance and help diagnose it remotely. We talked about our service offering in reason 5, but a big piece of what they do is being able to remotely log into equipment, tune that equipment, ensure that it's operating as flawlessly as possible to control that room. Every room is different and requires that fine-tuning. And the faster we get that fine-tuning done, the faster you're going to be able to see the yield boost that you're expecting from our equipment. And being able to log into the equipment remotely helps us do that way more efficiently. It also means that if you were to have mechanical trouble with the equipment, we're able to log in and we can diagnose 90% of issues remotely, which means that when your service tech arrives on site, they know exactly what they need to fix, or they're able to reduce their service time immensely. And that's part of the reason we offer this service at no cost to you. We're able to save money on the warranty side and get your units back up and running that much faster. We save enough money on that we're able to offer this service to you at absolutely no cost. All you need to do is have an Ethernet cable available at every unit to hook up. And that's all there is to it. It's an absolute no-brainer, and it's required on all of our equipment. It's provided to you at no cost, and it really is a game-changing feature in this market.